Hi y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, and I'm coming to you today with a new video. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. On my channel you'll see hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, lifestyle, and much more. So hit the subscribe button. But in this video you're going to be seeing me unbox some of the new products and things that I bought recently. So if you're interested to see what I got, keep watching. Okay, the first thing I got some stuff from is Morphe Brushes. A lot of bubble wrap. I'm super excited because I actually never bought anything from Morphe, but I decided to purchase something from there because I saw that Jaclyn Hill released some new brushes. I didn't end up getting her brushes, but I got some other things. So I got this color Honey on the lips. I love like a nude lip color. So let me see if I can show you what it looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. This color. It's like a nude on my lip. Ooh. Let's see if I can swatch. And I like this, the casing or the case. And then I got this burgundy color, which I feel like I have a lot of burgundy lipstick, but I was like, this color will look pretty on lighter skin and darker skin. So let's see, swatch. Oh, the darker the berry, the darker the berry. Yes. And so I'm always buying makeup stuff to add to my collection because I am a makeup artist, and so I like to try a variety of brands. I actually purchased I got this makeup belt, this red makeup belt, which I'm super excited about, and it has a bunch of brushes. I'm super excited, especially about this fan brush. Look at how thick this fan brush is, and the quality, oh, it's just so soft. And I love that the brushes are all black. The other brush I'm really super excited about is this MB brush. It's supposed to be like a buffer, and I'm excited. These bristles feel amazing. But yeah, here it is one more time. So many brushes. I'm ready to just like play in them, and I'm super excited to try on my belt. Okay, what else did I get? I got 2 lip pencils, and they're actually, one is a Linda, so a red, and then the other one is a Vibes, so it's like a dark brown. The last thing I got from from Morphe is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I've been eyeing this palette for months now, so I'm super excited to try it out. I just love the colors in this palette. Let me open it and show you what it looks like. Bubble wrap. Who loves bubble wrap? Okay, let's see. Ooh, I love this taupe. I just love this palette. I'm just already obsessed. I just can't wait to try it out. I'm going to try it out on myself. Then of course I'm going to use it on my clients. But it says, this palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. I have been subscribed to Jaclyn Hill for a while, so this should be fun to use. This one right here is called, this blue color is called Pool Party. Speaking of pool party, I just posted a video about pool hair essentials, and I will link that in the description below. Okay, that's all the things I got from Morphe. I'm going to show you what I got from Target. So Target has this new line called Wild Fable. And I got these jeans, and look, they have these zippers on the side, and then they frill and they stop like at the ankle. Super cute. I just love this zipper accent. Like the zipper literally goes all the way up the pants, which I feel like is rare. Like usually it's just at the bottom, but this went all the way up. Love these. Another thing I got from there was this jean jacket. I love this jean jacket because of the wash. It's like a lighter color, and it fits on me kind of big. Let me see, I'll put it on. Hey, hey, hey. Like I folded when I was trying to get on, I actually folded up the sleeve just to see how I would like it, and I love it. So this is also from that same brand. And then I got two more things from the same new line that they have there. So this hat, I love hats, especially ones that I can find that fit me. And this says Dreamer, and I'm all about being a dreamer. I would put it on, but my hair is kind of... But look at this jean. I might wear this, all my jeans together. I mean, we'll see if it's cute or not. And then I got this super cute fanny pack, and I love the silver accents. And then this buckle. It's not like the normal buckle. It's a metal buckle. Those are all the things I got from Target. I ended up buying a few more things from Fashion Nova, and I feel like I have another Fashion Nova haul on my channel. That's all Fashion Nova, but their pants just fit me. I don't know if I even got pants, but their clothes just fit me well, and so I enjoy buying things from there, especially when I can find a sale. And so this sale is from Labor Day. I'm excited. So they usually wrap sunglasses in this packaging. Let's take a look. I mean, they secure it for sure. Okay, so I got these because they were these black and pink cat eye sunglasses, and they're reflective. I love these. These are, I'm here for them. As you can see, this had the little reflection, but overall, like the way they fit, they're light. I love the shape on my face. Sometimes I feel like when I get sunglasses, they're too small for my face, but I love these. Cute. And then next I got, these are perfect for the pool day. Next I got this white, it's almost like a, I want to say like a racer jacket. I don't know the correct word, but it's a crop top jacket. It stops and it's see-through, so you just wear something under it. This could be really cute. I'm super excited for this jacket. I got it and I saw it and I was like, I have to get it. This two-piece, I love matching sets. So I got this two-piece set. This is the top, and then the bottoms to match, and they're capri. Okay, so then here are the pants that go with it. They're high-waisted, and they have the string for the pants. And these will probably go to my ankle, or they'll go all the way to my foot since I'm a little shorter. And I got these shoes. So they're clear. They have the clear strap here, the clear strap here. and I'm excited to try these on to see. I usually can't buy shoes like this because my feet are so fat and never fit, so stay tuned. And the heel is pretty solid. Now these next pieces are the ones I'm excited about. Well, this outfit is a biker set, a white biker set, because I'm going to be wearing it under this dress. So let me show you the dress first, because you've seen their biker set. So here's the dress. The dress is see-through. Right? And this is what it looks like. And then you wear the white biker set underneath it. I'm so excited to show you all what this looks like on. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!